Today, we're exploring an exciting new niche, AI-powered stage performance videos. These visually stunning creations fascinate audiences every time, and here's the evidence. Some recently launched YouTube channels, like Fashion Showtime, have already amassed over 197,000 subscribers with just 241 videos and almost 80 million views since their creation. This channel makes between $14,700 monthly. Another channel, Groove Goddesses, has over 129,000 subscribers with 32 videos and more than 36 million views since its inception. Its monthly earnings is about $7,000 monthly. Lastly, a channel called Got Talent 2024 has over 200,000 subscribers from just 58 uploaded videos and over 45 million views, earning between $781 and $12,500 per month. Their content features mesmerizing AI-generated performances, demonstrating how even simple ideas can connect with massive audiences. Astonishing, right? Here's why this is so thrilling. This niche is fresh and largely untapped, giving you a chance to dive in early while there's still plenty of room to grow. Imagine sharing your own AI-generated videos and building your following on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. The potential to stand out and go viral is immense. But this isn't just a passing trend. It's a platform for creators to showcase their imagination, transform concepts into stunning visuals, and connect with viewers globally. And it doesn't end there. The earning opportunities are extraordinary, from YouTube's partner program and TikTok's creator fund to brand partnerships and selling digital assets. These videos allow you to turn your creativity into a profitable venture. It's a very easy and straightforward process. You'll understand it better if you watch this video until the end. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Together, we'll create a dazzling stage performance video featuring AI-generated visuals, smooth transitions, and immersive sound effects designed to captivate your audience and make your content unforgettable. Before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. A simple click from you means the world to us and helps us continue creating tutorials like this. Now, let's jump into the image prompts. The first section provides prompts for the initial scene, the second scene, the merging sequence, and the hybrid form action prompt. The second section focuses on prompts for generating the audience and corresponding actions to bring them to life. You can use these as inspiration to spark even more creative ideas with tools like ChatGPT. With our image prompts ready, it's time to proceed to the next step, generating images for our video. We'll use a text-to-image generator for this, and for this tutorial, we'll work with Piclumen AI. To get started, open your browser and search for Piclumen AI. Click the first result and select the option to generate for free. Log in using Google or Apple, and once inside, click Create. Set the model to Flux. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, and choose the number of images you want for each generation. I'll begin by copying the image prompt for the initial scene from our template, pasting it into Piclumen AI, and hitting Generate. Within seconds, the tool creates two stunning visuals: a radiant woman adorned in a flowing silver gown, dancing with celestial elegance, alongside a shimmering phoenix with fiery feathers. The result is absolutely breathtaking, right? Next, I'll move on to the second scene. I'll copy the prompt for this scene, paste it into Piclumen AI, and generate the visuals. In just moments, it produces a striking image of a half-human, half-phoenix woman, elegantly posed in the same glowing silver gown that flows like liquid starlight from the first scene. The visuals are extraordinary. Finally, I'll generate the audience image by copying the appropriate prompt, pasting it into Piclumen AI, and hitting Generate. Within moments, the tool delivers a spectacular image of the audience, their expressions filled with shock and excitement at the magical performance. It's truly remarkable. With the best images selected and downloaded, it's time to bring the concept to life. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Your support allows us to keep producing content like this. With the visuals for the first scene, second scene, and audience ready, it's time to create the fusion. To do this, we'll use an AI tool capable of handling both a starting frame and an ending frame. While only a few tools offer this feature, Kling AI simplifies the process and allows you to bring even complex visual ideas to life. To start, open your browser and search for Kling AI. Click the first result to visit their official website. Sign in to access free credits and select AI videos to begin. Switch the model to Kling 1.5, then upload the image for the first scene. Copy the relevant prompt from your template and paste it into Kling AI before hitting generate to begin the process. Repeat this for the hybrid form and audience images, ensuring each element of the video is flawlessly generated. Once everything is prepared, it's time to edit the full video. I'll be using CapCut's PC version for this tutorial, but feel free to use any editing software you're comfortable with. Begin by creating a new project and importing your assets. Add each clip to the timeline, adjust their pace, and trim them as necessary to ensure smooth transitions. For the fusion clip, align it perfectly between the first and second scenes and ensure every frame flows seamlessly. Next, add transitions between the clips. For example, select the mix transition in CapCut, reduce the duration to 0.1 seconds, and apply it across all clips for a consistent look. For sound effects like applause or audience reactions, visit royalty-free sites like Piclumen. Download the appropriate sounds and integrate them into the video. For background music, explore options like the YouTube audio library or trending tracks from your chosen platform to maximize engagement. To enhance the video's overall look, apply a filter. For this project, I'll use the clear filter, which gives a polished, professional finish. Once you're satisfied with the result, export your masterpiece to your device. Let's take a look at the final result. It's absolutely incredible. Using the techniques we've covered today, you now have the skills to create your own show-stopping AI stage performance videos that captivate audiences across platforms. If you enjoyed this tutorial, stay tuned. We'll dive into even more advanced techniques and creative possibilities with AI tools in upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It truly supports us and helps us bring you more amazing content. We'd love to see your creations. Share your AI stage performance videos with us by tagging our channel, and let us know in the comments how your journey into this exciting niche is unfolding. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.